Like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
New COVID-19 cases in WA since March 3. WA has reported more than 10,000 daily cases of COVID for the first time in the pandemic, just days after the mask mandate and other restrictions were dropped. WA Health said 10,182 cases were detected in the 24 hours to 8 p.m. Wednesday, breaking the previous daily record of 9782 infections set just one day earlier. The number of West Australians in hospital with COVID increased from 242 to 271. Of the 46,664 active cases across the state, just 9 patients require intensive care, down from 10 the previous day. There were 6 deaths dating back to March 28, 3 women in their 90s, a man in his 90s, a woman in her 80s and a man in his 80s. Of the 12,911 PCR tests conducted on Wednesday, 4133 were returned COVID positive, a positivity rate of almost one-third. The surge in infections comes after mandatory mask wearing and capacity limits were removed on Friday, as well as proof of vaccination requirements. The majority of the new infections, 8498, were in Perth, but there was also another big jump, 625, in the southwest, where there are now more than 3,000 active cases. Since the start of the Omicron outbreak earlier this year, WA has detected just over 400,000 cases, of which a total 1120 have been hospitalised and 44 required intensive care. Modelling had suggested that by this point in the outbreak, there would have been up to 51 hospitalisations and 640 in ICU.